So, if you click this video, you're one of 3 people. The first person, you're about to create your first video and maybe you just don't know how you should film it. The second person, you're already creating videos, but something's just not there. Your videos don't have that appeal, they don't have that oomph. Or you're the third person where you're subscribed to my channel and you just want to know what the hell I'm talking about for this week. Now, if you're any of those 3 people, I got you. A video is made of 2 parts visually. You have your A-roll and then you have your B-roll. Now, A-roll is your primary footage. It's basically you talking to your audience about the topic of your video. It's you narrating the story of whatever the hell you're talking about. And then your B-roll is alternative or supplemental footage. So your B-roll should help you tell the story. It gives your audience visual context to what you're talking about. Now, A-roll and B-roll are production terms. You subconsciously know what I'm talking about. You see it all the time. You know, when news anchors are out in the field, when you're interviewing people or telling a breaking story, you see them talking to the camera and then they break up that footage to show you what they're talking about. I'll include an example right here.
Drug smugglers and human smugglers to get people and drugs into the United States.
Local police guide us through the rivers of raw sewage, and even down here, the international borderline is painted on the ceiling.
Now, one of the primary advantages of B-roll is the fact that it adds to the story, but more so than that, it can also add to the appeal of your videos. If you're shooting B-roll and you want to capture something in slow motion, or you want to add dope music to it, you know, it creates some type of flavor in your videos, which again helps with the appeal. So if you're in an awkward spot where you feel like your videos aren't necessarily visually appealing, or you feel like something is missing, or you know they can be better, add B-roll to them and then play with frame rates, play with different kind of music, and I guarantee you're gonna feel like your videos are 10 times better. Now, a lot of you guys may be like, David, what the hell is frame rates? You keep mentioning frame rates. Frame rates are basically the speed or the frequency at which frames or pictures are captured. Now, that might sound a little confusing, and I'm gonna break it down. A video is basically just a sequence of pictures that show a scenario or that show motion. Depending on what kind of camera you have, your camera will shoot different frame rates. So for example, a high frame rate video basically means it just captures a lot more photos. A low frame rate video means they capture less photos. Now, what does that mean for you? It means that if you want to create slow motion content, you have to shoot at a higher frame rate so it's smoother. But if you want to add some flavor to your videos, experiment with different kind of frame rates and then edit them in post. And I guarantee you're gonna be like, whoa, like I'm creating dope content. It's gonna be different. All right, guys, so remember those 3 key things. A-roll, which is your main footage. B-roll, which is alternative footage that helps you tell the story. And then 3, frame rates, which adds a little bit more flavor, a little bit more juice, whatever you want to call it, to your videos. All right, now that you guys understand that, I'm gonna show you guys my own example. Let me show you guys something. It's your boy D Dames, and I'll be taking you through my wardrobe. Now, I'll be recommending 2 outfits for you guys. Either outfit can be used to go on maybe a casual date, maybe you're going out to hang with some friends at a bar, whatever you're doing, or going out to a party. Whatever the function is, I think these outfits are dope enough and chill enough to have a good time in. The first outfit is a little bit more dapper, a little more clean. We have a traditional white tee. White tee should be the foundation of every man's wardrobe. You need white and black tees. So we have a white tee with a beige bomber sweater. Bombers were really popping 2016, 2017, and I think bombers are still pretty popular. So you got a white tee, beige bomber, and then you have your traditional black jeans. Black jeans are another staple that needs to be in everybody's wardrobe. And then the second outfit is a bit more urban, I'd say a little bit more gritty. You have a crew neck sweater with the distressed look. Distress is basically the rips on it. I think the color is like a gold, I don't know. some type of gold color. And then you have light jeans, which I think is another essential piece in the wardrobe. You should have different color denim. And then you have a beanie from Timberland. I think the beanie adds a dope look to it, and you know, keeps your head warm, so checks all boxes. Alright guys, that's enough for the example. That's pretty much gonna wrap up the video. Again, if you use these 3 things, your visuals for your videos are gonna be so much better, and you're gonna feel more accomplished in what you're doing. Per the usual, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media on both Twitter and Instagram at DDames. I post a lot of content over there that I don't post on YouTube, such as more fitness, a little bit more fashion, so you definitely want to catch me there. And stay blessed, and I'll be giving you guys the next one soon. Deuce.